Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to place order on 1688 with your Alipay. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, I'm going to show you on how to place order with your Alipay. Just like what you see on my screen right here, someone reached out to me from my YouTube channel on my WhatsApp and they asked me to place order and make payment for them on 1688, and I decided to make a video about it and show you how you make payment with your Alipay on 1688. So I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here. First thing first, make sure you found your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app. And I'm going to go ahead and click on account right here to show you my Alipay wallet balance. Go ahead and click on balance right here. So from this balance right here, we're going to place order on 1688 using this Alipay balance right here. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to exit from my Alipay right here. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Having opened up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and open up my cart. So you can see all the products right here. I have already added all the products to cart step by step in 1688. If you don't know how to add product to cart on 1688 from different supplier, you can check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of video on how you can add product to cart on 1688. So after you have successfully add all the product to cart, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. This will allow you to automatically select all the products that you have added to your cart so far, just like what you see right here. Now, after you have successfully select everything, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like so, right here, you can scroll down and check on all the preview right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here to proceed with payment. Just like so, by default, my Alipay has been selected. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. And go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Now, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Having screenshot proof of payment, I go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Now you can see the product is no longer in my cart right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see everything right here. Lastly, I will exit from my 1688 Chinese shopping app and proceed to my WhatsApp right here. Click on here to send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them and say payment done. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your supplier any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.